Welcome back to Fact It's Life. Today I'm out in the garage and have a little bit of a project with the 2011 Grand Caravan, more specifically the 3.6 liter Pentastar engine. So I have about 239,000 miles on this engine, and that puts our water pump at about 145,000 miles. To preemptively keep ahead of car problems, today I'm going to go ahead and replace the water pump. This is an aluminum thermostat housing assembly. Now the one on the car is original and it's plastic, probably maybe overkill. The car has 239,000 miles. I don't know if it necessarily needs an aluminum one. Wasn't really all that much money, so I went and bought it. Besides that, here we've got new hoses, a new belt tensioner on it. The belt tensioner on this van is original. Have replaced the pulley, so we're going to replace this idler here. The belt, got a new Mopar radiator cap. Probably the most important piece is the actual water pump. Now, I don't know, this is a little bit of back and forth on my side. So typically the current water pump in this van right now that has about 140,000 miles on it is a Mopar Chrysler water pump. The reason why I did not go back with the Chrysler Mopar water pump is because it's $240 or 200 bucks online plus shipping. And I did source this one for half. This is not the least expensive aftermarket water pump. There's other brands that were, anywhere from 50 to 100 bucks. What I did though, I did go with this. This has the aluminum metal impeller, not the plastic one. Feels nice. Everything's good. The only downfall, I guess, was that it did show that it was made in China. And of course, we all jumped to those conclusions. But I don't know. I'm gonna give this a try. So hopefully I don't have any issues with it. If anyone has any experience with the Dayco water pumps, I'd be curious to hear it. All right, I think what we're gonna do here is we gotta drain the coolant out, drop the lower shield, and I'm debating here if this motor mount has to come out. I'm thinking it does. The next step here is I am going to take off the upper hose here, because we are going to replace that. We are going to clean up our thermostat housing connection here. Got a razor blade. I don't see any evidence that it's leaking, but it's not smooth either. It's kind of, it's time. Our surface is cleaned up here. I'm just gonna blow off the crud. Brand new tube of Hylomar, and I'm gonna just do a very thin coat of Hylomar here on the back. I'm going to do a second coat of Hylomar right on the surface. Oh, let's see. That's a big one here. We've got the new water pump in. Got the thermostat housing assembly in. Converted it to aluminum. And I've got to tighten some things up now. I've got to put back the belt tensioner, or the belt idler anyways. I'm going to blow out the pulleys here of crud that has dropped down. And then we'll start putting our hoses back on. Come on, there we go. There we go. All right, so I don't like this hose. It's kind of, it seems puffy to me. If I cut this, so I don't really want to cut this off, but if I cut this here and then clamp it, will there be enough clamping force? And I say yes.
We are just having an absolute blast here. We are on. So now we need to get this bottom hose on. We are currently holding a vacuum right here.